Are you cleaning it?
Yeah. Clean.
All clean? Oh, it's so clean you could eat off of it. Is the fire getting hot?
No.
Cold fire?
Yeah.
That was tasty.
Yeah.
Is that grass?
Yeah, no me. Daddy.
That's for me?
No, that and then clean up green. It's dirty.
Okay, can you clean it for me? You feeding the doggies? I don't think they like it.
Too hot.
Too hot? Jett, what did you make this?